Hello, and welcome to Samson Mills. Today we're going to be talking about the Shuttle, our sliding panel room dividing system. Before launching any of our systems, we go through rigorous testing. Over here we're testing our in-cap durability. I think we can call that a pass. These tests are what brought us to the beautiful system you see before you, the sliding panel acoustic system. This can also be done in several different materials, including felt, cork, and fabric. The system is available in a suspended ceiling mount, recessed, 2-channel, 3-channel, 4-channel, and 5-channel system. Here are some projects we worked on recently. Now, with UV protection, you can have an amazing acoustic element added to your room. Enjoy!